Biomedical Engineering Department at BHU offers its students a wide variety of equipment for hands-on training. This multiparametric monitoring device is capable of monitoring and is among most important diagnostic systems available in the hospitals. It is basically a biomedical device that continuously monitors the vital signs of patients. It can monitor electrical activity of heart, blood saturation, blood pressure, temperature, heart rate. The students at BHU learn how to operate and design these monitoring devices. The main purpose of this is to train our graduates to enter professional fields, being aware of the latest technologies.